Hello, it's Glamstract here. Another video, another review. Not foundation this time, but it's a whole new collection. Well, newish now because it's been out for quite a while. But I'm talking about the Chantecaille new giraffe collection. This was sent to me. I won a competition that was running online and they sent it to me for free, so I did not purchase this. Thank you so much for picking me. Chantecaille is the giraffe collection and it comes in this beautiful little pouch. I'm not saying that every collection comes in this pouch because it was sent to me directly, so maybe you would just get the products as they are. They did send me a little card which was quite cute as a congratulation for winning the competition. Thank you. It comes with the 3 lipstick. These are called the Lip CHIC lipsticks and they are in the shade Jasmine, FREESIA and Willow, and also with the iconic beautiful giraffe eyeshadow palette. I already have my base down. I thought I'll just come here and show you the quality of these eyeshadows and also do a makeup. This is a complete first impression about this palette. I have not used it before. I have not swatched it either yet, so everything is like sort of brand new for me as well. I mean, of course I've seen pictures online. I've seen at the Chantecaille counter in Harrods, and I just thought, oh my god, I cannot wait to play with this palette and really do a nice eyeshadow makeup. This is the box outside of the box. Actually, the palette outside of the box, sorry. It comes with a little protector and it tells you like sort of like 1, 2, 3. I guess there are the names, just 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the eyeshadow palette. Isn't it just gorgeous? I'm just so drawn into this light color over here, and of course the whole color story is just so nice and perfect for like an everyday, but also turn it into night if you want to. Well, we're gonna go sort of into order, but I'm definitely gonna start with the number 1, which is like a nice taupe color. So the pigment is definitely there. Let's just go ahead. I'm just gonna put this all over my eyelid. This would be a very nice one and done shadow actually. It's very nice. The pigment is there, they blend like a dream. So far so good. I would stop here and just go out because I love this sort of colors to really just like one and done, but gorgeous. Now I'm gonna go with shade number 3, yes. So the shade number 3 is like this sort of deeper brown, reddish brown, and I'm just gonna focus this just mainly in the outer corner and like smoke it inwards. And to do so, I'm just gonna take a different brush, like a little bit more denser and smaller brush. And let's see. Yeah. This is more metallic. It's definitely slightly deeper than the sort of taupe-ish color that I used at the very beginning. Nice. Very nice. Now I'm gonna go with the shade number 4, which is like, seems like very loosely pressed, so I'm not gonna dare go in with a brush. I'm just gonna swirl my finger and then put it all over my eyelids, starting from the inner corner to sort of halfway. I'm not gonna drag it all the way here, sort of like stopping halfway, but sort of blending the 2 shades together. I'm just gonna use my finger. Ooh, it's so buttery. Ooh, 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 ooh. So, wow. This is so good. We just turned a day look into night, everyone. Ooh, wow. Look at that. Wow. I cannot believe the amount of like pigmentation and glitter in here. It's just gorgeous. Just getting rid of any excess glitter falling down. Whoa. Can you see this? This is just amazing. I'm just gonna go back with a slightly thinner brush and like sort of mix number 1 and number 3 together just to smoke my under eye. I'm gonna go with shade number 2, which is the only shade left to try, and I'm gonna put it just in my inner corner. I'm just gonna go very quickly off camera, put some mascara, and we're gonna be back for lips. And I'm back for mascara. I've used just my good old inimitable mascara by Chanel. It just, you know, the lashes just look so beautifully dark, and one dip, it does both eyes, top and bottom lash. It's just, this mascara is just something else. Love it. Now it's time for lip. We have 3 options. I already had a pick at these shades. My favorite out of the 3, it has to be Jasmine. It's just a beautiful, let me show you. I'll give you a quick swatch of all of them. It's sort of like a pinky, peachy color shade. Let me swatch a little bit more down here so you can see. Like, it's nice. It's just very, very natural. I would say very close to my lip color, maybe just a teensy tiny bit lighter. Then we have the shade FREESIA. I hope I'm saying this right. And this is the color. Is more like violet pinky color. Here, just the second one down. Very pretty. And then we have Willow, which is this straight up pink color with definitely bluey undertones. Let me show you. So we got Jasmine, FREESIA, and Willow. Very, very nice. I think out of all of this, I am going to go with... I think I'm going to go with the second one, with FREESIA. I think I'm feeling it with this look. And the smell. It smells like cookie dough, but it's very soft. It's not like a strong smell. Like a vanilla cookie. So good. I mean, now that I look at this also like, they're all fairly natural colors. This is FREESIA. It's a quite nice pinky, bluey pink color. To feel very moisturizing. I'm just gonna quickly wrap it up because my camera and my storage is just super full. I cannot talk anymore, but thank you very much for watching. You heard my final thoughts. Beautiful products. Go ahead and purchase them if you want, and thank you so much again for picking me, Chantecaille, to win these products and try them. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, also give it a thumbs up as well, because why not? Let's spread the love. And while you're here, why don't you just subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on Instagram, where you can find me at Glamstract as well. Thank you so much for watching once again, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye.